Hey teachers! Finally, natapos din natin ang ating mga MOVs para sa non-classroom observation indicators for master teachers 1 to 4. So kung ikaw ay isang master teacher, itong video ay para sa inyo. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang mga MOVs. Ayan po. So please bear with me. Ayan. So we have here almost 10 MOVs from Objective 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Lahat po ito will fall under non-classroom observation indicators. So kung kaya nyo po akong samahan, iisa-isahin po nating ipakita yung ating natapos. Para po sa ilan, ang atin pong bagong PMES ay humihingi lamang ng mga MOVs at hindi na kailangan pa ng magarbong portfolio. So, una po nating bubuksan para makita nyo yung sample ay ang Objective 2. So, sa Objective 2, kung makikita po ninyo, pinakita lamang po natin dito yung cover page o yung first page kung saan nakalagay kung ano ang hinihingi. So, since ang MOV objective number 2, ito po yung objective niya. Ayan. And then, nakalagay po natin at least 1 MOV. Dito sa ating objective number 2, meron tayong bale 4 na MOV, but then ang hinihingi lang sa atin at least 1. So, ang pinili po natin dyan ay ang reflection notes at saka performance, monitoring, and coaching form. So, as a master teacher, magkapakita tayo ng MOV tungkol dito. So, ito po siya. Una is mentoring session. Ayan po. So, here, andito, discuss natin yung mga teaching strategies which are research-based and how I was able to mentor or share it to one of my mentees. So, you can pause this video nang sa ganun ay makita po nyo yung content. So, lakihan po natin. Ayan. So, yung may red po dyan, nandyan highlights the statement that falls under the given objective. So, you can pause this para po makita nyo ang laman. Then, ayan po siya. So, this is in a way of making this MOV na isa siyang document that will fall under mentoring session. So, yan po. So, prepared by, so, nalagay natin dyan yung attendees, and of course, voted by our principal. The second MOV is the performance monitoring and coaching form that also highlighting the given objective. So, paki-check na lang po dyan yung content. So, we have here the critical incidents, focus area, output, and the impact on job. Then, naglagay ako dito ng signature area para mas lalo siyang maging mas patibay and mas makikita talaga ng ating principal. Then, another example. Ayan. And then, sa baba po, nilagyan natin ng annotations. So, this annotation summarizes or explains the content of the performance coaching monitoring form. Again, you can pause this video to get the content. So, yun lang naman po. This objective dapat naglalaman ng mga strategies that we have shared or mentored to our proficient teachers, and of course, this is research-based. So, alam naman natin na yung mga strategies na ating napag-aralan ay based on studies and researches which are proven effective. So, yan po yung laman ng objective number 2, dear master teachers. So, I hope this helps, and sundan nyo po yung mga susunod kong video kasi bubuksan ko lahat ng mga MOVs. So, paki-browse na lang po nitong channel or check the description. That's all po. Thank you for watching.